A good Tuesday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ben Derry. Thanks for checking out KARE 11 Plus. Well, temperatures are going to be on the warmer side over the next couple of days, and a January thaw is in the forecast. But did you know there's an actual definition for January thaw? It's not just getting above the freezing mark. It is 2 or more consecutive days with highs above 32 degrees. Now, it happens almost every January in the Twin Cities. According to the Minnesota Climatology Office, 82% of the time, which is higher than the percentage chance of a white Christmas. So the odds of having thawing temperatures in January higher than a white Christmas. How about that for statistics? The last time we did not have a January thaw was 2011. That's when we just had one day that hit 32 degrees. Followed by every other day that was colder than freezing. So again, doesn't happen very often, or doesn't happen very often that we see temperatures staying below freezing. You take a look at the next 5 days and 34 degrees today. In fact, we were already at 34 degrees earlier this morning when we dealt with that freezing rain mess. And you can see temperatures staying in the mid to upper 30s Wednesday, Thursday, finally cooling off as we head into the upcoming weekend where more seasonal temperatures are in the forecast. Here's what it looks like outside. A lot of low-hanging overcast, a lot of lower clouds and some foggy conditions. That will likely be the case through tonight. Most of our precip is wrapping up, so we did start off the day with some freezing rain and icy conditions across most of the Twin Cities metro and into western Wisconsin. We are seeing things improving, and with warmer days in the forecast, we're likely going to see the ice threat diminish through the rest of the day today, and generally speaking, just kind of slushy outside the next couple of afternoons. Our next chance for snow is going to be on Saturday, although the forecast has been trending away from us giving any sizable snowfall event, but the forecast can still change as it's still 4 days away. That's our next weather system that we will be watching. Now, one thing we're watching in the short term is still some patchy but dense areas of fog. We still have a dense fog advisory for areas from Alexandria northward through Otter Tail County and up just west of Bemidji. Dense fog advisory until 3 p.m. Visibility under a quarter mile at times, and seeing similar conditions due south of the Twin Cities, parts of Rice County, Goodhue County, down I-35 through the Minnesota-Iowa border. We're still seeing visibility down to about a quarter mile at times. But that should gradually improve, and generally speaking, we're just going to be dealing with this low-hanging overcast at least through tonight. And what a lot of this moisture is doing at the surface, this low-level moisture, is it's keeping our temperature basically the same. For the last 20 hours, we haven't been cooler than 32 or as warm as 33, 34 degrees. So pretty consistent temperatures. So again, when we have a lot of moisture in the lower part of the atmosphere, a lot of cloudiness, the temperature doesn't move very much. I expect that to be the same as we head into the rest of the day today and into tonight. But because temperatures are near, if not a couple degrees warmer than freezing, we continue to see improving road conditions during the tail end of the day today. So the evening commute is forecast to be much kinder to us than what we saw earlier this morning. There's that wintry mess that did provide us with some freezing rain last night and in through this morning. Still some patchy areas of freezing drizzle around the Eau Claire area, points northward towards Rice Lake and the Hayward Lakes area as well. But generally speaking, things are improving, and we should continue to see these winter weather advisories get chiseled away through the rest of the day. These current ones from Polk County, Barron County, up towards Washburn, Sawyer County goes until 3 p.m. Patchy areas of freezing rain, that's where we're seeing the difficult travel conditions this afternoon. You can see road conditions have vastly improved around the Twin Cities. A lot of green on the map, but still untreated surfaces. Do watch for some slick spots there. But you got to cross the bridge into Wisconsin, and especially north and east of the Twin Cities, where we're still seeing some lingering poor conditions, at least over the next couple of hours. This is Microcast. That messy system continues to move off towards the east. We'll take you through the next couple of days. Overall, very quiet weather is expected, probably through the rest of the work week. We should see some sunshine as drier air tries to advect into the area. If we do see some sunshine, it's probably going to be the middle to latter part of the day tomorrow. Still some lower clouds in the morning, but I think that's going to erode to a mostly sunny afternoon. Should be a pretty decent day tomorrow with temperatures mid to upper 30s in the forecast. Then as we head into Thursday, the first of two weather systems begins to move into the area. A lot of cloud cover during the day on Thursday, and let's head into Thursday afternoon. This is 5 p.m. Notice wet conditions expected across far southeastern Minnesota from, say, Albert Lea to Rochester, Winona, La Crosse. Warm conditions will keep most of this in the form of rain, and you can see especially wet over our neighbors to our south into Iowa, parts of central southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois seeing some wetter conditions. That's the first system on Thursday, and potentially a cooler system as we head into Saturday. Some snow chances for us, but I think the trend is for most of that to again slip down to our south. So a couple of systems we will be watching. The forecast can still change, but nothing super imminent, at least in our near-term forecast. For today, 34 is our forecast high, improving roads and overall a gray sky with a west-northwest wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures ranging from the mid-20s to the north, low 40s across parts of southwestern Minnesota. And let's watch as we head into the forecast for your Wednesday. We should see clearing sky, especially south and southwest of the Twin Cities. That's where temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s, even 40s across the southwestern corner of the state as well. And we stay mild all the way through Thursday. So some slushy conditions expected with not much forecast to fall from the sky, at least through Friday. Light snow possible on Saturday, but nothing super imminent. And at least briefly, seasonal temperatures. We're back in the mid 20s by this weekend.